Hello and welcome to another video. Today's topic is isolating quantities and interpreting them. So let's see what this is about. This is a rectangular garden, has an area of 500 square meters. The width of the garden is 10 meters, less than twice its length. So let's say the length is x, then 2x minus 10 should be the width. Which of the following can be solved to determine the length? So I want to find what is x. So I can say that x into 2x minus 10 should equal 500. So let's see if we get an expression out of this. Minus 10x minus 500. So I think C is the correct answer option then. Then it says the bakery sells cupcakes for $2 each. If X represents the number of cupcakes sold and Y represents the total revenue. So I think Y equals to 2X should be the revenue. Okay, which of the following is equivalent to S? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first gather all the S values. Okay, there's a third S as well, QRS. So PQ is going to be in the numerator and everything else is going to be in the denominator except S. That should be the correct answer then. The sum of two numbers X and Y is 90, and the difference when the larger number is subtracted from the smaller number is 10. So I can say that x is the larger number when the larger number is subtracted from the smaller number. So let's just say x minus y equals to 10. Okay. Uh, Solve this simultaneously. And y equals to 40. So 1 over 15 to 40. 1 over 2000. Next question. The length of a rectangle is 3 more than twice. The length of a rectangle is 3 more than twice the width. So let's call the width x. 3 more than twice the width. Which of the following equations could be used to find the values of the length and width? The rectangle has an area of 80. Okay, so length and width should be multiplied to get 80. So either A or B could be the correct answer. And the length should be 2w plus 3 then. More easy questions on the way. It says a circular swimming pool has a diameter of 10 meters. Scale drawing of a pool has a diameter of 0.01 meters. Okay, circular. And the smaller one that has 0.01. If the ratio of the area of the pool of actual pool to the area of the pool on the scale drawing is P is to Q, so 10 over 0.01 squared, where P and Q are coprime. I don't know what coprime is, but I'll have to first figure out the answer and then give you something. Okay, 10 over 0.01 and squared. Okay, let's see what hints there are.